Are you looking for an affordable home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, today we're here at Jameson Park by Richmond American. We are going to be touring the Lantana 2 floor plan, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella. I'm a local realtor with eXp Realty here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, so welcome to Jameson Park. This is going to be the newest Richmond American community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, the nearest cross street is going to be Decatur and Cactus, okay? So we're easy access to the freeway. We're about 15 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport, as well as 15 minutes from the strip. Very good location, you guys, especially if you want to live like closer to more centralized, closer to the strip, closer to the airport, okay? Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer two floor plans here, okay? So they offer the Alder 2 and the Lantana 2. Now, these floor plans are going to range from about 1,375 square feet to about 1,500 square feet, okay? Base prices ranging from $399,950 all the way up to $409,950. With Richmond American, their plan moving forward is they're going to be 100% spec builder, okay? So no more building from lot up. All of their homes they're building are going to be quick move-ins. They're picking out all the options, okay? For example, the base prices you're seeing from $399,950 and $409,950 out the door, guys, including like the lot premium and upgrades, you're looking about the $430 to the $450 range is what you can expect out the door. Now, a couple things about the community. HOA is $55 a month. It is not gated, unfortunately. Average lot square feet is going to be 35 by 75, and they're going to have 53 homes in this community, okay? But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome to the Lantana 2 floor plan. Now, this is 1,500 square feet, 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $409,950. Now, they're doing all spec homes in this community, guys. Out the door, with all the upgrades and lot premiums included, you're looking about $440, around $450, okay? So the desert landscaping is included, paver driveway. You're not gonna get plants this size though. They're gonna definitely be smaller, okay? Now this is the 2-car garage, but it's actually a sales office. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So right here, we have the 8-foot door. All right, guys, so welcome in. So this is what you see us immediately when you walk in. You'll have like the 9-foot ceilings. To the right, you're gonna have the stairs that goes to the 2nd floor. Okay, remember, when it comes to like model homes, it's gonna be fully upgraded. Okay, this flooring is upgraded. Now this is gonna be the larger of the two. This is the Lantana 2 floor plan. Now, as you'll notice, the first floor, you'll have this little living area, and then the kitchen, but there's not that much room for a dining table. Okay, so welcome to the kitchen. Guys, we got the beautiful white cabinets, the optional built-in cooktop right there, as well as the backsplash. So yeah, when you're walking into a Richmond American home, I feel like they definitely use really good quality materials. Now here is the backyard. Now again, guys, as far as like the lot square footage, you're looking, average lot square footage is going to be 35 by 75. Okay. Now when you move into your house, you'll have the pavers underneath the covered patio, but just around here, you're gonna have it's gonna be just dirt. Okay, so you have about a year to actually fix your backyard. according to the HOA. Otherwise, if you don't, the HOA could possibly fine you, but I don't know. They're normally not too aggressive, but they definitely can. That's going to be the door to the garage, which is a sales office. So you'll have your powder room right here. Okay, also you'll have your coat closet with a smart panel box. So again, that's where you would coax cables will be, your Ethernet cords. Okay. All right, so let's go upstairs. And then we also have the rounded corner edging. So this is what you see as soon as you walk up. So nice high ceilings. All right. Now guys, if you haven't already done so yet, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, notification button. Definitely helps the channel out a lot. Okay, so right when you walk in, to the left, you're gonna have your primary bedroom. Okay, you do have this, I wouldn't say it's like that much of a loft, but you have a little study area right here. And then we got the laundry room upstairs, washer and dryer up here. Okay. So I'll show you. Now up here, you're gonna have your 2 bedrooms and then your full bath. Your full bath. Now guys, also too, if you're interested in coming to a new build community, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to show up with you on your very first visit. Or if you're working with a realtor, that's fine. Let your realtor know. Just don't go by yourself on your very first visit, because if you register at the community, you give them your name, your email, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation down the road because the builders look after the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. As realtors, we look after your best interest. So we negotiate for you, hold the builders accountable. So definitely a good thing to have representation. This is the view over here. Okay. Pretty good size. This is going to be a full-size bed as well. And then also the ceiling is 9-foot ceilings up here as well, which is really nice. Okay, so this one is also 9-foot ceilings. Yeah, I would say this is actually, I would guess this is like an 11 by 11. And then we got the primary bedroom right here. So very spacious. Okay, so we got these 3 windows right over here. So you're gonna allow a lot of natural light to come up. Now this is gonna be a king size bed. Okay, so plenty of room. So we have the dual faucets over here, dual sinks. You're gonna have your walk-in closet right here. And it looks like it does wrap around. Okay, and you have your shower. Now again, guys, what they're doing out here is they're doing all spec homes. So a lot of these, the floor plan itself is gonna be the same, but all the spec homes are gonna have different options. Probably gonna have different structural upgrades and different bathroom setups. So just a heads up. But yeah, if you guys have any questions at all, guys, my info is going to be in the description below. If you're curious to know what the incentives are, give me a call, shoot me a text. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.